Sergeant Prepper here. We had our first rain. It didn't rain much, but it rained enough to fill that pond up a little bit. I found a spot where the water has cut a gouge. But so what I'm going to do is I'll be putting some pipe in there and putting some rock there. Once the pond's full, it's not going to be a big issue, but I just want to keep it away from the liner. So enjoy. Okay, I got 2 4 to 5 inch pipes in there. It'll keep from hitting the liner. All covered up, so we're good to go.